Your battery deserves better. Ever wondered why your phone still runs out of juice even with all those battery saver features on? In 2025, Android and iOS have quietly added deep OS level settings that can dramatically extend your battery life, if you know where to look. Title reveal: Unleash your phone's hidden settings. Today, we'll uncover the hidden controls buried inside your phone's system menus, the ones designed to keep your device efficient, cool, and long-lasting. The new era of smart power management. Modern smartphones are no longer passive devices. Their operating systems now use AI to predict your habits, when you charge, which apps you open, and even how bright you like your screen, to save energy automatically. Deep OS level battery optimization. Android 15 and iOS 19 both feature adaptive power cores, built-in systems that monitor performance in real time. They balance power between apps, background tasks, and sensors, preventing hidden drains before they start. App hibernation, the silent saver. Ever opened your settings and seen unused apps still eating battery? The new app hibernation mode freezes rarely used apps completely, cutting both background usage and memory load. Background app refresh, the invisible drain. Your apps love to stay connected, fetching updates, refreshing feeds, and syncing in the background. But in 2025, you can manually disable this for non-essential apps, or let the OS decide when it's actually necessary. Location services, the battery black hole. Many apps track your location even when you are not using them. Switching them to while in use, or disabling them entirely can save up to 20% of your daily power. Smart geofencing, the better alternative. Instead of full GPS tracking, newer phones use Wi-Fi and cell towers to determine your general location. This consumes far less energy and keeps privacy intact. 9 Display settings, where power meets beauty. Your screen is the single largest power consumer. But modern displays give you tools to control every pixel wisely. Adaptive refresh rates, fluid and efficient. Whether you are gaming or scrolling social media, adaptive refresh technology now adjusts from 10 Hz to 120 Hz dynamically, saving energy when static, boosting performance when needed. Dark mode, more than a style. Dark mode isn't just easy on the eyes, it's easy on your battery too. Especially on OLED and AMOLED screens, black pixels simply turn off, saving significant energy. True black themes, hidden pixel power. Unlike gray-toned dark modes, true black themes switch off entire sections of your display. This micro-saving adds up over the day, perfect for heavy users. 13 Auto brightness with intelligence. The light sensor now learns your environment patterns, dimming gently when possible instead of reacting aggressively, optimizing both comfort and power. Charging optimization, longer battery lifespan. Your phone now pauses charging at 80% when it predicts an overnight plug-in, reducing battery wear and improving long-term health. The myth of task killers. Manual task killing apps are outdated. Modern systems reopen closed apps automatically, often consuming more energy. Trust the OS's built-in optimizer instead. Bonus tip: battery analytics dashboard. Both Android and iOS now provide detailed usage graphs, app-specific drain data, and AI suggestions for smarter habits. Review them weekly. They are your battery's health report. The hidden toggle hunt. Don't be afraid to explore developer options or battery usage menus. That's where some of the most powerful optimization switches reside, and they are safe to use if you follow the prompts. Everyday habits that multiply savings. Combine smart settings with good habits, unplug at 80%, use dark wallpapers, and avoid extreme temperatures. Tiny changes, massive results. Final take: your phone can do more. Battery optimization isn't about restrictions, it's about intelligence. Your 2025 smartphone is built to adapt, learn, and evolve with your usage. Closing line: power that lasts. So go ahead, dive into those hidden settings, fine-tune your device, and enjoy a full day's power without compromise. Because the smartest phone is the one that lasts.